Hi everyone, welcome back. This video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp photos not showing in your mobile gallery. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then tap on Chats. Here, make sure Media Visibility is turned on. This allows newly downloaded photos to appear in your phone's gallery. If you're still not seeing images, check your phone permissions. Go to your device settings, find Apps, select WhatsApp, and make sure Photos and Storage permissions are enabled. Next, check your file manager or gallery settings. Sometimes hidden folders block media. Look for a folder named WhatsApp inside your internal storage and make sure it isn't hidden. Also, confirm that you've actually downloaded the photos. In Chats, tap the image if it still shows the download icon, if nothing works. Try clearing the WhatsApp cache in your phone settings. Don't worry, your chats and media won't be deleted. After these steps, your WhatsApp photos should start appearing normally in your gallery. For more tutorials just like this one, stay tuned.